Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share with you lots of passive incomes, okay? And I'm also going to be sharing with you some coins that I'm actually investing in. But what I want to tell you that in this video, nothing is financial advice, and you should always do your own due diligence before you get involved in any business. And before you invest in either cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies, they both come with very high risk. So only invest money that you can afford to lose. So let's get stuck in with the video. And the first thing I want to cover is Shiba Inu. So let me just share my screen and we'll have a look at what's been happening with the chart with Shiba. So here's the Shiba Inu chart, and I've gone back in time a little bit. And as you can see, we've got a red line down here and we've got a green line up here. So this red line is support. So we don't want SHIB to drop below that. And this is resistance. So what we would like to see is it break out. So it came through this level of support here because this was the previous all-time high before we had this big run up. Okay, so that's why it's a support. As you can see, as SHIB was on its way up here, it's testing. It's got this blue line that I've put in on the screen, and you can see it's bouncing off of that, which is very healthy. And then as we approach this green line, which was the new all-time high, okay, as you can see, the candle went right up to there, so that creates resistance. And as you can see, after it made that all new time high, it dropped back down, but it slowly creeped up towards this line. Now, what we wanted to see was it break through this line, but it didn't. It dropped down, which is very healthy. It's a pullback. So now we've got a channel that's formed. We've got resistance here and support here. And then what happened was SHIB came down, tested that support there, bounced off of it. Then it sort of climbed up again. It's going up towards the resistance, and then it's had a pullback down, and you've got this new line that I've put in here. And as you can see, it's bouncing off that line, and we want it to break through this line to the upside. And it's sort of stayed around there, and then it broke out to the upside. So now we've got this candle. This is the actual live chart as it is right now. What's going to happen? I don't know. If it stays inside this channel, I would say that that's very, very, very bullish and very positive, because it wants to stabilize before we see it go up above this resistance. So what's the possible scenario that could happen here? Well, I think we're going to sit in here for a few more days. Maybe will they get an announcement to say that they're going to be listing on the Robinhood exchange? If they are, I think that we're going to see a breakout. But right now, I'm happy for it to sit inside this. Now, we don't really want it to drop below this support line, but if it does, the next support is this orange line. If we go below that orange line there, which is about the 45, it's all these zeros, it's 4 zeros, 45, so I'll say 45 cents, but there's some zeros in it. This support here is at 57, and if we go below 45, then that for me would be a bearish sign. But right now we're in this channel up here, which is support and resistance. Okay, so while we're in here, we're in a very safe zone in my opinion. But you should always do your own due diligence, and this is only my opinion, and I'm not no way an expert. Now, this coin I got in very early. I bought 50 million of them. I think now my balance is up to about 3,000. I paid $1,200 in total, so I've well X'd my earnings. And if it goes down to this orange line here, then what I'll do is I'll take some profit at that point. I won't sell everything, but I'll take some profit. And then if it goes down even lower, I can always buy back in at a lower stage. But right now I'm not doing anything. I'm just sitting there holding my coins. Now, another coin I'd like to bring to your radar is this coin. I bought it yesterday. I only bought $10 worth, but as you can see, I've got 496 million coins. Okay, so I've got a lot of coins. Again, this is like a SHIB for me. This could go up and I could make a lot of money out of it. Let's say it goes to a cent. You do the maths, it would be crazy. But it only needs to be a fraction of a cent. If I get that there now and I get my calculator and I pop that into there, and then I times that, and if I go to the SHIB one here, so if I times that by the price that SHIB's at right now, okay, that would net me $34,933 if this RYOSHI coin gets to the same price as what Shiba is. right now, you know, and there's every chance it can do that. But I've only bought $10 worth, and if I go back on this chart, there's a green dot there. Look, if I show you the green dot, whoops, bear with me. That's if I show you this green dot here, that's when I bought. You see, so I bought for $10, and so now I've doubled my money so far. But it's only $10. So again, I've risking, these are very high risk, you know, so I only do these things. I do this for playing really, and if it comes in, I'll earn a lot of money. But so far I've doubled my money. I may at some stage buy some more, but right now I'm happy with the $10. Okay, so I'll leave a link for this, and I'll leave a link for SHIB. There are no affiliate links. I'm just showing you where you can buy it. You can buy this one on Pancake and various other sites, but if I send you this link, it makes sure you get the right token. Okay, and then all you need to do is to click on trade, and then when you trade it, by default you'll have this on auto slippage. You want to change that, and in there you want to put 25. Okay, you want a high slippage for this, and then you buy it with whichever token you buy it with. I bought it with BUSD, but you know, if you click there, it shows you can buy it with BNB, BUSD, Tether, which is on the Binance chain, Bitcoin, which is on the Binance chain, and Ethereum, which is on the Binance chain. Okay, so you can buy it with all of those tokens there. Now, moving on from those three, I want to show you three other passive incomes. Now, the last one is what I class as very, very low risk. Okay, the first two that I'm about to show you, I'm going to put in the high to medium risk. Now, and again, you should always do your own due diligence. So let me share my screen and show you the first passive income that I want to bring to your attention. Now, this one is called Elevate Pass. Now, below the video, you're going to find a link. It is a referral link, so I do earn a commission, but I haven't promoted this at all. Okay, I put $50 in. So you buy these packs, and you can buy them at various prices. I put $50 in. Now, what this is going to give you is 200% return. So if I just put that in there, so $50 plus 200%. Okay, so it's going to give me $100. So I've got my 50 back and 50 profit. Now, so far since joining this, I've got $14.30, and I'm going to spend that in a moment. So now this site here, they say that they're trading. Okay, they're trading, and what they do is they trade for you, and you earn a commission. There's a video there you can watch if you want, but they say they're trading. Okay, they've got bots that are trading on Binance, FTX. Okay, so they've got these 4 bots that they've got running, and they say that they're trading for you, and they're giving you a share of the profits. You also get an ad portal with it as well, where you can place an ad. I haven't done an ad at the moment because I've just wanted to test this site out. So I will run an ad because I've got some ads. I'm not sure where they displayed. I'll do another video on that to see where those ads are displayed. But I've got $14.30 here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to compound for now. So I'm going to click on here, buy a pack, and let's just see what it lets me buy. Okay, so packs cost $10 each. Okay, so if I buy a pack, and I want to use my wallet balance, and you can just send directly to here, and I want to buy 1 pack and buy the pack. This will earn me, you know, an income, and I get paid out every week on that. So as you can see now, I've got active packs. I've got the value of $60. I've got a balance of $4.30. So I'll make another video on this. I'll go into this site on its own in great detail. Okay, but if you want to join this site, you'll find a link below the video. It is a referral link, so I will earn a commission out of that. But you can start this with, I think, as little as $10, but don't quote me on that. It may well be the first deposit you do is $50. Okay, so it's $50, and it's a great little passive income. So moving on, which again is a trading site. Now, I started this trading site with $300. I've been in this 12 months, and it's called CFX. Below the video, you're going to find a link for this one as well. I've earned $75 so far this week from commissions of me promoting it. There's 2 ways that you earn in CFX. You earn from commissions if you're going to promote, and you'll also earn from their trading pool. So they trade with for you, and you get a return. So let's just, before we go and have a look at the trading pool, I've got $17,000 that I've actually earned lifetime. So I'm just going to get my calculator and I'm going to put the $17,000 in there. Now, what I will say is I'll minus 20% because when you withdraw out of this, they charge you 20%. Now, it doesn't go to the company. It goes to the affiliate program. But if you're not a promoter, you're not interested in that. But your upline will be interested in that because they earn a commission from it. So I'm going to click minus 20%. So that takes it down to, after the withdrawal fee, takes it down to 13,896. Now, I've recently upgraded because the last time I did a video, I was on the 5K pack. So let's just move this calculator over here. I was on the 5K pack. Now, I started with $300. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to minus 7K because I've put some of the profits back into the system. So I'll minus $7,000. So this is giving me a profit in my pocket, okay, after I've done the upgrade, after I've paid the withdrawal fee, it's given me profit in my pocket, $6,896. Now that is over 12 months, okay, that is over a year. I joined this just about a year ago. I've withdrawn out of this practically every week, and I'm going to show you the emails in a moment of withdrawal. Now, if I come to, first off, we go up to the trading pool, show you the earnings. Now, I don't know why this was a little bit behind, but it's showing here 2 days trading. We're on Friday. There's some days missing, but they'll add them. It's obviously a visual thing. Could be my cookies, actually. So, as you can see here, I've got $39.90 there and $49 there. So far, $89, but it's a lot more than that because I've got another 3 days to go on this, okay? So I don't know what my earnings will be at the end of it, but I would imagine it's going to be 4 of these, so it's 49. So let's just get that calculator. It will be that times 4 equals, and then plus that 39 at the bottom there, 39 equals. So that's going to give me roughly $236 for the week, okay? Again, these things are not life-changing, but with all the passive incomes and the coins that I buy, I earn a very, very decent income. I'm very, very happy with the income I receive. Now, let's just come over to the withdrawal status because some people say you can't withdraw out of here. Well, it's not true. So if I go over down here to the withdrawal status, and when you put in a withdrawal request, you have to earn $100. You have to be able to have $100, and then you can put in a withdrawal request, and that withdrawal is paid to you in Bitcoin, okay? So you get $100 worth of Bitcoin. Now, when you first put in your first withdrawal request, it takes 5 to 6 weeks before you receive that payment. But if you're putting them in every week, a withdrawal request, or more than every week, once you've gone past the 5-week period, 5 to 6 week period, then you'll be getting a payment every week. So that's the stage I'm at. I receive a payment out of here every week now. And you don't have to wait for that payment to come to you before you put in the next withdrawal request. So I look at it a bit like if I was working for a company and I'm on a monthly salary. If you're in a job, 9 to 5, you normally get paid monthly anyway. So there's no difference there. Here's all the payments. So if I go right to the end here, let's just go right to the end. So this is when I joined. Okay, so this was the first payment that come out. And you can see that's the 19th of the 10th. And we're 29th. So I'm 10 days over the year. When I first joined here, they were paying out a lot quicker, but they say they're introducing their own payment processor, and they've got a bit of a backlog, but that's why there's a longer period now. But I understand that the payment is going to get quicker and quicker, and we're going to get back down to a more quick turnaround, if you like. But it doesn't bother me because I get a payment every week. So if I come here to my emails, when you get a payment, you get these emails. Okay, so I get these emails coming from the company to say that I've got a payment. So if you look down here, you've got the dates here. Look, February, March, April, May, June. Now you'll see that there's nothing in July. So I wonder what happened in July. Well, if we look at August's payment, go and look at this email for here for August. As you can see there, what happened in July, I didn't take a withdrawal out because I was wanting to do an upgrade, and I waited until I had enough to upgrade. So I drew out what I could, which was the 1,488, and I withdrew that out and I did an upgrade at that point. Okay, so coming back here, so you'll see June or July, as I just showed you, then August I withdrew, then it's September, 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 October, 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 and then one this morning's just come to me. So we're in we're October now. So 1, 2, 3, 4 in October, and then we'll be going into November. So as you can see there, you know, these emails are not going to lie. The dates are there. This is Google. This is my Google Gmail account, and there's all the payments that have come from CFX, and I get a payment every week, despite what some people say online is that they're not paying out anymore. It's just simply not true. You'll find with a lot of people that say it's not paying out is that they're on a lower pack and it's taking a while for them to actually get to the $100. I think you need to be on, really, if you want a weekly payment, you need to be on about the $3,000 package. Now you can start with $300 here, and then you can upgrade as you go along. And if you want to know how long it takes you to upgrade passively, I've got a video that you'll find a link below that tells you, you know, that breaks that all down to show you how your payments are coming to you. Okay, but there you are. That's CFX. It pays me out weekly. If you're interested in joining, again, this is a passive income. The same as with this one is a passive income. If you want to join either of those two, you'll find a link below. These I put in the the medium to high risk. Okay, I think they're just above the middle of the road. I don't know. I've got no control over any of these sites, and you should always do your own due diligence. But when you do your due diligence, don't just take the first blog post that you read that says everything's a scam. Okay, because some people will say everything's a scam. Business is about risk, and it's about risk management. I spread my risk. I don't have all of my investments all in one place. I do staking. I buy stocks. I've got gold. I have silver. I go into very high risk stuff. I buy coins that I just want to pump and dump. I buy coins for the cryptocurrencies for the long term. So I spread my portfolio. CFX, on the passive side, you get paid two ways. You get paid what they call a bear side, which is their fast start program, which is affiliate commissions, okay? And then you get their bull side, which is their trading. So on the trading here, I'm up to this level here, which is blue. So I will get, this number says 114. This has got to go up to 200%, okay? So I'll get double my money, basically. Obviously, I would pay that 20%, but if I was to put that in the calculator, look, so I've got 7,000, okay, and then if I plus 200%, because that's what you get as a passive income, so that gives me 14,000, and then if I minus 20%, equals that up, that would be 11,200. So I could actually, out of that money, upgrade to the next package, which is 10,000. I'd go to the 10,000 and I would still be in profit of 1,200 that I'd have put in my pocket. But that's if I did it right now. But I'm not going to do it right now because I'm going to wait for this to get up to 200. But you can also earn what they call the fast start, and that comes from affiliate commission. So anybody that joins underneath you, you earn a percentage. You get an affiliate commission, and so you can get 200% there and 200% there. So you can earn a maximum of 400%. And if you look so far on this package that I'm on, the 7,000, I've had a return of 250. I've more than got my money back, which I showed you earlier. And I will keep going until I get to the 100k package. Right, so coming on to the last site that I've got for you. Now, I'm the CEO of this, so I'm going to put it in the very low risk. Now, it's Johnny Blockchain. Johnny Blockchain is a portfolio management suite, which gives you the tools to do arbitrage trading, buy and sell cryptocurrencies. So this site, a place where you can manage all your crypto in one place, so you don't have to log into the exchange to buy and sell. So you can manage your crypto that you've got maybe on exchanges, or manage your crypto manage your crypto that you've got inside wallets, hard wallets, maybe on your phone or something like that. You can run all your balances inside Johnny Blockchain. Now, to use the Johnny Blockchain tools, you would need to buy Johnny Blockchain credits. And the minimum amount of credits you can buy is 3 credits. Now, you can either buy them with Tron or you can buy them with BUSD. Now, the great thing that happens when you buy the credits, you get given the credits. They're in your back office. You can spend them however you want. Maybe you want to connect your API keys. Maybe you want Johnny Blockchain's robot to carry out an arbitrage trade for you. You can spend those credits. So you get a product. Now, what the great thing is when you buy those credits, you get added into the smart contract. Now, that smart contract will give you a return of 125%, which is basically your principal backed plus 25% profit. So Johnny Blockchain is paying you to use the site. Now, where does the 25% come from? That comes from profit sharing from our members that join and also from our mining facility and our hosting facility. And we give you a share of that profit. And that's paid out to you on a daily basis. Now, if you're in the Tron smart contract, you need to earn 100 Tron before you get paid out, and it gets paid directly to your wallet. You haven't got to come in and put in a withdrawal request. It gets paid directly to your Tron Link wallet. If you're in the Burst smart contract, so you bought your credits with BUSD, you will get paid out when you've earned 10 BUSD, and again, that will get paid out to you directly into your wallet. Now, if we look at the statistics, if we look here, the average returns. So the average daily return for the Tron side is 0.51% per day, and the average daily returns for the BUSD is 0.99. So just under 1% is the average. Now, you can buy credits with Tron or with BUSD, or what you can do is you say, well, I'm going to buy some credits in Tron, I've got some Tron, and I've also got some BUSD. So you'll earn on both of them. Okay, you'll earn a return on both of them. And again, this is not going to be life-changing or anything like that, but this is another passive income. It's about spreading your portfolio and your risk, doing risk management, making sure that you spread the risk. And I'm showing you the things that I'm doing. I hold the Shiba Inu coin. I hold this little coin here. Look, $24 from $10 now. I mean, how brilliant is that? So of course these things come with high risk, and they're not going to make me a zillionaire, but you never know. This might go right up. I've got CFX where I'm withdrawing out every week without fail. I've got this one here, Elevate Pass, which I went in with $50, and you could see that I'd earned $14.30. And I've reinvested that $10 of that, and I'll wait till this gets to $10. I'll compound for a few months, and then you've got Johnny Blockchain, okay? And I've also got a ton of other stuff. So if you're interested in this type of stuff, what do you need to do? Well, make sure you give me the thumbs up and click on the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. And if you do click on that, make sure you click on that bell notification so you get notified when I upload a new video. And if you'd like to keep up to date and get some extra things that I don't put on YouTube, then below this video you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to a page like this. Put your name and your email address in, and I'll keep you up to date and notify you of all the coins that I buy, and show you all the things that I'm making a passive income with. You have a fantastic day. You'll find all the links for all of the sites below the video if you're interested in joining any of them or all of them. You have a fantastic day, and I'll speak to you in another video. Bye now.